The Luo originated from the Middle East. Jerusalem is the center of the world. If you measure it from whatever direction you come to Jerusalem, that is the center. That is where Luo originated. We moved from there to Ethiopia. From Ethiopia, we went to Egypt. All the black pharaohs in Egypt were Luos. All. For over 450 years, we were in Egypt. Something happened that we were pushed away from Egypt. We followed the Nile up to where the Blue Nile joins the White Nile. We got stuck there. We say Khartoum, but the Arab did not come. So it has become Khartoum now. Now, when Luo built a home state, you don't throw your rubbish around your house, outside the gate. That has become what you know now as Omdurman. Odu. Omdurman is Odu. Khartoum is a Khartoum. We said we are going to get finished with those people. The people we came with are the following: the Luo, the Langi, the Teso people, the Maasai, and Kalenjin. But the Langi, the Luo, the Langi, Kalenjin, and Maasai and Teso went back to Ethiopia. When we were waiting for the Arab to come, they ran away to Ethiopia. After many years, the Blue Nile dried up because there was terrible drought in Ethiopia. So they crossed, they went to Kenya. The Langi came from there up to here, and they were very nomadic. They moved from place to place, and they were